Hi guys, this is Eunice and I'm so excited because it's been been a little while since I have made a video, and I decided to go ahead and make this video today just to give you a shout out about the new full lace wig that I'm going to be making. I'm excited about that. Now I don't know, well actually you can see this pretty color. You see this is like a dark burgundy here, and it's going to be 28 inches and so forth, and you know it takes me like about 4 weeks to get the actual wig made, and of course I'll bring that to you as soon as I get it made. But I love this color, and like I said, it's like 28 inches, kind of a loose wave, maybe beach wave and everything. And this is absolutely nice hair, very nice. So yeah, I'm just bringing this to you, giving a little shout out on that and so forth, and everything. And I got some new things coming out. Go visit our website at www.shawzewigs.com. We are putting new wigs on. Also, we are adding other new products in. So hey, this is a great time. Spring is coming. You want to get out there and do things. So far we got a lot of nice health and beauty products and so forth. But anyway, the wigs are the biggest thing, and we're going to be bringing out a lot of new colors for spring, a lot of new styles. I'm actually working on a new wig right now, so that's going to be done in a few days and so forth. So just check the website on that, because I probably won't do another shout out like this right away, because this is just a little short shout out, like I said, on this beautiful wig, this beautiful hair here, that I'm going to be doing. And I'm like ready to get into it. But I want to go ahead and make my second wig before I actually get into making this full lace wig, because this full lace wig takes some time. So thanks guys, and look forward to seeing you on my shop. Oh, we do have phone orders from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you can give us a call, if you want to make a phone order. So thank you again. Bye.